Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Friends, furniture works in a trend. A lot of items goes trending, and right now, one thing that is in huge demand is a high back room chair. Room chair can be a bedroom chair. It can be placed in lobby, or it can be used along with a sofa. That's how you want it. But they are individual chairs, and that can fit with any furniture once you match the fabric and the color. Or even if you don't want to match the fabric or the color, they work separately along with the other furniture. A lot of people keep them in bedrooms, kept in lobby, a couple of chairs along with a side table in the middle, or a designer table for the vase kind of thing. I'm showing you two chairs here, one in teak finish, one in white and gold finish. They are quite different, but both are in same category, the bedroom chair or the room chair with high back. High back, when we say, the regular chair are around 4 feet high in our category. These are 4.5 feet, both of them. And a little taller if you want, 5 feet also good, but 6 feet goes too tall. So 4.5 to 5 feet is a good height. Now about the sizes, let's go with this one. This is in teak wood, teak finish, high gloss. The out and out size for this one is 32 inches, a little more than 2.5 feet. Front to back, this covers 2.5 feet area. Back is 4.5 feet, and the sitting area is quite wide. It's 24 by 24 inches, 2 feet square, nice big sitting area. Now here, if I'm sitting, you will see it's comfortable at an optimum height, and this one has got no cushion on the handles, with the woodwork and with the wing design at the back. This is the wing design that we have in most of our sofa sets. You see the wing design chair, and that's why they're also called wing back chair, the one you are looking at. Similar design we have made earlier in white also, and this one is in teak finish. And let's move on to the other one. This is again a high back chair, and this is a modified version of one of the chairs we have made earlier. The client wanted similar design in a little high back, and as we customize furniture, we make it as per your requirement and choice. So we have made it. This one is going to Hyderabad. This one is going to Bangalore, along with other furniture. I'm just showing you part of their furniture. This one is a little wider as compared to the other chair. This is 36, 4 inches bigger than this one, 36 out and out. Now, if you compare the design, this one is quite straight design, and this one is a little outward design, something a little protruding outside. So that's why we need more space to make this one. Back height is 4.5 feet, and front to back, this is again 2.5 feet. But this has got more wider area to sit. So it has got extra space and a little more cushion in the handles. Rest everything you see is the wood. Both are in teak wood. This is in teak finish, this is in paint, white and gold. The other thing that we have about the room chairs, generally the chairs are kept along with the wall. Now let's see the back of this one. If the unit is going towards the wall, generally we prefer a plain back. Even if it's not going towards the wall, it has a clean, fine look at the back, so it can go in the open as well. Open means from the place where the back is visible. However, the other one that we have here, this one has got very nice, beautiful carving at the back. Now, this carving that you see is called double carving. It's carved from the front as well as work is on the back as well. Now, something like this requires to be placed in open. Open means where the back is visible. Now, it can be kept in a bedroom or wherever you want, but I will suggest you to put something like this not with a wall, because the back would not be visible, and this is the highlight for this chair. In our regular sofa sets, whenever I've shown you the designs, I've shown you several designs, and I've shown you double carving designs also. You can go for a regular sofa set with plain back if you are keeping the 3-seater or the 2-seater along with the wall. But if the chairs are coming in open where the back is visible, something like this concept can be considered. It looks very nice from the back as compared to the plain item. Definitely it's your choice, but double carving is a nice concept. Altogether, bedroom chairs or high back chairs are trending these days. People are loving this concept. This can be a soul chair, it can be used as a Guruji chair, it can be used for the elders of the family, or a special chair for someone special in your family, or for a special guest. I've seen people who are followers of Guruji and they have someone who is very special for them, and they visit their place. They have already kept a special chair just for the person, so whenever he comes, he can sit on that, and they have dedicated a special chair for them. And I've sent these kind of chairs to different ashrams, different places, and these are widely used across the globe. Anywhere in India you want, as I mentioned, Hyderabad and Bangalore, two different locations. Anywhere in India you want, we can deliver it there. Outside India, we are delivering to most of the countries. In 24 countries, we have international trademark. Arsan is a brand registered in 24 countries, and we are exporting to the globe. Teak wood, high gloss work. If you like some other finish, fabrics, colors, design, everything is as per your choice. We don't make anything from our side. We don't push anything from our side. What you like, we will make that. You can let us know what you like, and we will make it according to your choice and deliver to your place. This is the artwork. This is not a regular carpenter's work. Artisan work requires time, requires too much work also, and experience also. Handwork, not done by any big machine, small tools, and finally the output is here. If you like our work, please put in some comments. A small like would be a favor to us. And if you have any questions, you can contact us. You can visit our website arsanwoods.com for more designs, for prices also. And you can check YouTube and type Arsan. You will get around 500 plus 50 plus videos where you can see our work. Any questions, please contact us. The number is here. Thank you so much.